What's up YouTube? Darren Dyk here with Beyond Slow Motion. It is good to see you guys again. A couple weeks ago, I launched a couple videos that I was extremely excited to finally have out there. The first was skateboarding on fire in the rain, and the second was skateboarding in a thunderstorm with Christopher Chann. They were both really fun projects, and I'm super excited to finally have them done. Links in the description if you want to check them out. But today, I wanted to share a bit of a behind-the-scenes look on how all of this stuff was made. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Goes for a second, it's like the white gas can just goes away.
Yeah.
It's all just like rolling this way at me. There you go.
Here it comes.
Oh my goodness. Woo! So we're trying a shot on the ledge here where basically I'm trying to match my angle against Chris along with the angle of the sun so that we can get like a backlight of all the water as it kind of sprays up. Hopefully get a little bit better outline for it all. It'd be cool. That was a good one. Liquid if you can. Yeah. You kind of just missed it. Woo! Yeah, dog. This is one last like. All right, good. All right, we're good. Wide angle on it and captured the stall with the fire up close. Oh, yeah. So hyped, we finally have some rain happening. And it's like legit rain. We still have tons of light to mess with. And this surface here, it's super reflective. Like it's definitely gonna be able to reflect the fire from the board and everything really, really well. You made it really far, that's so nice. Definitely sick. So that was crazy. Michael just took a gnarly slam. Like he was doing like this. He wanted to try this blunt slide, backward power slide, which is a gnarly trick on its own. But like he's trying it on the rain and just slipped out and straight onto his face. But you know, you love it. You get into skateboarding, you do this enough, and it's just, you know, you take the slams and you keep trying, you keep going at it. And I think he's done for today though. Definitely done for the day. A lot of trial and error, these tricks, especially in the rain. Well, come here a second, I'll show you why. That would have been really dangerous. That almost went onto the Phantom. Marshmallows. What this allows me to do is instead of having to press the button on the front of the camera, I can trigger this from here. So I can have my hand free to, for instance, put the camera down kind of low. Do that with it. One thing you'll learn about me is I will never let my camera hit the ground. That happened to me once a long time ago, and since then, I've even gone as far as breaking my elbow cap literally off, protecting It was just a small DSLR, but it was just like a natural body reaction. The first thing that happens when I fall, tuck that camera in, get it the hell out of the way.
Even the way you landed.
Stop me, alright? I'm about to go off the edge.
The bad tuners are where you don't see any cuts. If it cuts, I mean, it took away the impact, you know what I mean? Like, when it hits it straight on and there's no blood, that's when it hurts.
That's so crazy, you can actually see the dry spot.
It's like actually dry right now. Oh, you hit it. I could have landed it when the landing was heading. Dude, that scared me.
Wide angle on there. So there's this crazy thing that just happened. Michael was trying to do a frontside overcrook grind through just a whole line of fire. And as he went through it, right after that, the fire turned into a tornado and started going with the motion of his body. So like it actually turned into like a continuous spiral and just kept moving. I filmed some experiments in the past doing fire tornadoes, and I wouldn't have expected it to work that way, but it was really cool. It was crazy sick.